flavors again. Today we're gonna be making a healthy Asian chicken salad. So here we go. So first we're gonna be marinating our chicken. What I used was chicken breast tenders. They're already filleted, so it's pretty easy. What you're gonna do is you're gonna marinate them, have it sit up for the best an hour. I don't have much time. I have a family of 6 to 7 people coming today, so I need to work fast. It's okay, you could leave it for like 15-20 minutes and let it sit and marinate as you're chopping all your greenery, and we'll show you that next. Now that we marinated our chicken, now it's time to chop up all our veggies, get it all ready in a bowl, and then we're going to start on our salad dressing. Okay, we chopped all our veggies. Now, again, I have a lot of people coming. It's all up to you how much lettuce and greenery you want to put in. What I did was, if you notice, I separate all the greens in a large bowl. I separated all the green onions and the carrots and the mushrooms and the spinach left to the side. Did not add that. Why? Because if you mix all this ingredients, sometimes the lettuce wilts. If let's say the whole lettuce doesn't get eaten the day of, you can store it in a Ziploc bag in the fridge, and then the rest of them you can store it separately and then just add it to your salad later on. Again, the lettuce wilts when green onions in there and the juices of the carrots, and so I like it that way. Totally up to you. Again, I separate it. So now next step is the sauce. Guys, so we're ready to make our salad dressing. First, I'd like to take a note. I used a whole garlic. What I did was I grated half of the garlic and I chopped some of the garlic. Why I did that? Because it brings out more flavors when you grate it, and occasionally when you take your bites of your salad and you crunch into that garlic, fresh garlic, there's a big difference. That's the reason why I did that. Then I went ahead and grated some ginger. Totally up to you how much of each you'd like to use. I love garlic and I love ginger, and it's really good for us. First, we're going to take our garlic and our ginger. Next, you're going to add your roasted sesame seeds. Next, we're going to add the chili flakes. your garlic powder, a little bit of salt, basically a pinch. Okay, so here comes the soy sauce. We're gonna put about 3 tablespoons. Again, it's gonna go as we go. We're gonna taste it and see what is missing. We might add more. So the ingredients in the beginning of the video will tell you exactly how many, after I taste tested it, how many we used. Next, we're gonna use the sweet soy glaze that we used in the marinade in the chicken. And then we're gonna use some Sriracha sauce. Now we're gonna use some rice vinegar. And the next secret potion is the sesame oil. And last but not least, our oregano. And now it's time to mix it all up. Cook our chicken now. It's been marinating for about 15-20 minutes. Again, if you leave it in the refrigerator overnight, it's even better. So now we're going to go ahead and place some olive oil in your pan. And then you're going to place your chicken, and I will show you that up close in a minute. Our chicken's almost done. What I'm going to show you how to prep your salad in your bowl. And you're going to place your chicken on top with your salad dressing, and then you're going to see the final touch. Our Asian salad is done. It smells amazing in the house. Come on up close and see the final look.
Thank you for watching Galore Flavors. If you'd like, click down below to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes yet to come. You could also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you guys next time.